Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to make a helicopter this evening. So first off, you get the propeller and you put it on the popsicle stick, as so. And then the challenging part is get the paper clip. And the best way that I found doing so is you open it up and you wrap it around the bottom of the popsicle stick. It's going to be a little challenging, so if you need help, it's okay to ask for help. There's no perfect way of doing this, it just has to stay on there. As so. Then you get your rubber band, you're going to put it at the bottom of where you left the point. You're going to put it at the top. Make sure the rubber band doesn't fall off, and then you spin your propeller as much as you can. And then prepare for liftoff. Thank you.